Ready?
Okay. Okay. What? No TikTok?
Yeah, it's a TikTok. Hey everybody, and welcome. Today's video is going to be the unbagging of our Ipsy Glam bag, and of course,
That's
Ipsy,
not an intro.
That is not. That was not.
Let me take over.
Okay, Hailey.
Hello, people of the internet, even though that's not my mom's intro. Welcome back to my mom's channel. Today is another edition of Ipsy versus Ipsy, mother versus daughter. So today we're going to be unbagging our Ipsy Glam bags. This is our bag. It's velvet and it's soft and it's super cute.
And it's $12 a month, and it goes by your profile.
Yes,
supposedly.
I was just going to say that. My profile is I have dark hair, I'm pale, I have blue eyes, and I love fun things. Colors, everything. I like to try everything. My mom, she's tan. She doesn't have her real age because they send her bad stuff when she has her real age. And that she's blonde and likes neutral colors and doesn't like to go out of the box too much. There we go. Let's get started.
Okay. So, does it have the doohickeys on here? Okay. So, if you guys caught our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing, we got a card in there. But on the inside, it did not have the products in there, nor did it have the prices. So, we were like kind of winging it.
Yeah. See, this is the inside of our...
Yeah, it was really odd. I don't know what's going on. So, anyways, if you guys are new to Ipsy, like Hailey said, it is supposed to be profile based and customized to you. These are typically deluxe size samples, and sometimes we do get some full size samples in there. So like she said, we got this cute little bag in there, and I just want to compare it. It is. It's the exact same size pretty much to what we got in our Plus. Isn't that weird?
Normally it's bigger in the Plus.
Yeah.
But, I mean, starting off, we didn't even get a bag in the Plus, did we?
Yeah, but that's what I keep going back and saying. Like, I'm good with that. I'd rather just not even get a bag. Like, give me that extra, whatever you pay, and put it into it. So, okay, you can start off.
Okay, so my first item I'm going to talk about is the Tarte Sex Kitten little eyeliner. I think this is a sample size, but it's like a pretty big sample, but it's really cute. Because if you look really close at the cap,
probably not. It's
a cat.
Not be able to focus there.
Oh, there it goes. Like, how cute. Love that. I'm not going to open and swatch this one either because, like I just said in the last video, I already have one open. So, don't want it to go bad.
Okay, so my first item is the Mercy Handy Hand Cream in Hello Sunshine.
Cute. And
it actually appears to be full. So, I mean, that's nice. What's it say about here? Winter weather can wreak havoc on your hands, da-da-da-da. It's just hand lotion. And it says it has a full-size retail value, $7. It's so weird. It's got prices on here.
Yeah, my eyeliner retails for $20 full size.
And this is 1 fluid ounce. Okay.
Okay, so my next item is the Cosmetics Pedal to the Metal Pedal to the Metal in Shift into Overdrive Turbo. That's a real long name, buddy.
Yeah.
I just read it off the thing. Anyways. Oh, wait, that's not the name. I'm sorry. It's the Pedal to the Metal, but the thing is in Turbo. I was reading it off the thing. Like, cover it with my elbow. That's what it looks like. So I'm gonna, like, slowly try and, like... Can you see the swatch? Felt like the gosh darn squirrel from Ice Age.
So my next item is the Illamasqua Anti-Matter Lipstick in the shade Bang. It's a nice neutral color, so I feel like they're definitely going off of my profile
when it comes to lipstick.
Yeah, lipstick shades for sure.
My next item is the Voss NYC Fairy Dust Press highlighter in Moonlight. Oh, that's very gray.
You see the undertone of it.
Cover your face. Keep trying to... Wow. Pretend you see that. Okay, that's all. Bye.
Okay, so my next item is the Balm Cosmetics Auto Balm Girl Power in the shade Bourbon.
Ooh.
And I'm not going to swatch it because I feel like I have like a lot of blushes that shade, especially my Mood Exposure by Hourglass, so I shall put that aside. Full size would be $26.50.
My next item is the Color Rain Cosmetics liquid lipstick in 24/7.
That's a you color for sure.
This looks like a Candy K by HAILEY'S Cosmetics.
It does. It's actually a really pretty shade. Not much.
No smell.
If you hold it back, yeah, you can see a little bit. Okay, so my next item is the oil-free primer by IT Cosmetics. It's a pore refiner and hydrator. So, I will try it. Can't tell how full it is, but you know, whatever. Your turn.
My last item is the Aventi Water Flash Coconut Water Cream. It's a Hydra Boosting Leather Moisturizer. Can't tell how full it is. That's what it looks like.
Hailey, why do you keep doing that? It just makes editing me mad.
Sorry. This is what it looks like. That's all you get to see.
Okay, so my last item is the Pure 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie Longwear Foundation and Concealer, which I'm pretty sure Raw Beauty Christy says this is amazing. It's in shade MG3, so I'm assuming that's like medium golden 3. I don't know. I don't really wear foundation.
It also says concealer though.
I don't wear concealer. I don't have neither one of those things on today. So what are your thoughts?
I liked my bag. I liked that I got a full-size liquid lipstick, and I liked the eyeliner.
I think you won this one too.
And the highlighter, and like I'm okay with the eyeshadow. I don't know how often I'll use it. Sometimes recently I've been going into my single eyeshadow drawer and just grabbing one out at random and then putting it just that on my eyelid and going to school.
Yeah.
So
honestly, I don't like this bag. I mean, I think that they followed my profile for the color of the mini lipstick. But that was about it. I don't know. I think in the past they've done really, really well. I mean, there's going to be months that are hits and misses, you know. I mean, you kind of have to know that getting into a subscription box. And yeah, I don't know. This was definitely not my favorite bag. I like this. I think it feels nice, but this was definitely not my favorite of stuff at all. So I'm going to give this round to Hailey as well. So she is definitely the one to have. So let me know down below if you guys get Ipsy Glam bag, the $12 a month bag. Let me know what you guys got. Was yours similar to mine? Was it similar to Hailey's? What did you guys get? Did you do any add-ons? Because Ipsy does allow you to do add-ons for either the Ipsy or the Plus. I didn't do any add-ons for this one or my Plus, and if you guys caught our video for the Plus, you'll see that Hailey had a slew of add-ons. So anyways guys, that's going to be all for today's video. There is a giveaway going on. I'll have information in my description box down below on that. Like I said in a prior video, it's only for my subscribers, so if you're not subscribed, then don't worry about checking the description box. We are filming these like really late in the day when I'm like exhausted.
sorry about
So that's why I'm not perky or peppy at all. We're almost to 20K, by the way, so yip yip yip.
If you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe to my mom because she's awesome. I keep punching myself.
I know, I hurt my finger on that. Okay. If you guys stuck around for this crazy hot mess, that's good. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Wow.
I forgot to introduce myself. Oh yeah, you did the intro, that's why. Okay, I'm hopping off now. Don't forget to hit that like button if you guys enjoyed our video. Love to have you subscribe and stick around. I upload Monday through Friday at 12:15 Eastern Standard Time. I have a second channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs. I got a little lazy this past week.
I be like that sometimes. It's okay.
Yeah. Hailey's information is down below as well if you want to check her channel out too. And I'm going to hop off, so don't forget to follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. And until next time.
Kisses from Kentucky. Wait, that's not how you end your videos.
I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah. Bye.
Oh, you don't like me? That's fine.